In this video, we will talk about how to subtract integers. The first thing we need to understand is that when we subtract integers, we want to rewrite the problem using adding the opposite. So I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. The first example we see is -7 minus 3. What we're going to do is add the opposite or keep, change, change. So I'm going to keep the -7, change subtraction to addition, and then change 3 to -3. After showing keep, change, change, then you can solve using the same rules we learned yesterday. Same signs, -7 and -3 mean to add and keep the same sign, so I get -10. The next one up here, I have -7 minus -3. Again, I'm going to show add the opposite or keep, change, change. So I'm going to keep -7, change subtraction to addition, and change -3 to a +3. Now I have an addition problem with integers, so I'm using my same rules I learned yesterday. Different signs mean subtract, so 7 minus 3 is 4, and then the larger value is -7, so my answer will also be a negative. So -4 is my answer for that one. Excuse me, I have 5 minus -4 to show keep, change, change. I would keep 5, change subtraction to addition, and -4 to +4. And then you can see clearly 5 and 4 are the same signs, so same signs add and keep. 5 plus 4 is 9, and they're both positive, so my answer is going to stay 9. The last one I have is 5 minus 4. Again, we can show keep, change, change, or add the opposite. Keep 5, change subtraction to addition, and change 4 to -4. 5 plus -4, those are different signs, so I'm going to subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1, and I'm going to keep the sign of the larger value, which is 5, so that's a positive. So my answer is a +1.